Let's see how to save the Google Photos to the iPhone library. It's super simple. Here, let me just show you that I have the Google Photos available. And then I have here my gallery. That's the local gallery here on my phone. So when I come here, for example, to the Google Photos, I can select one picture like this one. And if I just tap on it, it opens up and I just come here to the three dots on the top. And from here, see that I have this option to download. So I just need to hit download and it's going to come to my phone, right? If I come back here and I select another picture, let's say this one, for example, and then I come to the three dots and I don't see the option available here to download. That means this photo is already here on my phone. So it's in both locations, on my phone and also on the Google Photos. So there's no way to download because it's already here, right? So back here to this one. So basically this one is not on my phone yet. So I can come here and just hit download. And now it comes here to my phone. When I just come back here, there's no option available anymore. And if you have more pictures to download, let me just come back here and you see an example that the picture is downloaded here. Then I can just come here and delete it from here, from my phone. Okay. Then when I come back to the Google Photos, one more time, when I select here and I select another picture here, I want to delete more than one. Then if it's more than one, the option is not available here as well. What I have to do is just come here, down, and then just move to the right side. And you're gonna see here this option to save to device. That's the one that you need to use, right? As long as you have at least one of them that's not available here on your phone, you can use this option here to download multiple pictures at the same time. Pictures or videos, whatever you have here on your Google Photos, okay? So super simple. Basically, that's the way you can download photos and videos from the Google Photos to your library on the iPhone. I hope that helps. Leave your comments, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.